Hi, my name is Sir RJ and I'm here to talk about JavaScript variables. So before we begin, let me discuss two terms. We have declaration, that is creating a placeholder for values. Second, initialization, that is setting a value for a placeholder for your variable for the very first time. As beginners, it is a good practice for you to declare variables inside the head section. And now we are going to head over to Notepad++ and we are going to declare some variables. So how do we declare variables? There are two ways in declaring. The first one is using the syntax var space variable name followed by a semicolon. The semicolon indicates that you are ending your command for that particular line. So if we are going to use that in our script, we can use the keyword var followed by the variable name. So I want to use the variable name glass. In this case, glass doesn't have any value yet. We only declared it, but there is no value. You may think that the value is none or 0. Maybe none is more appropriate. The second way is using the first method but attaching a value immediately. So we will place an equal sign there and we will assign a value. So using that, let's head over to our code. So this glass variable, I would put an initial value to it, maybe the string water. So now glass, when declared, has an initial value of water. To change the value of a variable, we need to manipulate the value or the variable inside the body script. So let's head over to the body and find the script. So here we have to invoke the name of the variable to change its value. So what is the value or what is the name of the variable? It is glass. Now we will put an equal sign and let us change the value. Let's say we will place orange juice. So in the initialization, we use the name water, but in the body, we change the value into orange juice. We can change values for variables anytime we want. Let's say I want the value of glass to be milk, or I can change it again and make it chocolate. So the last value of the variable glass is chocolate. The computer won't pay any attention to the previous values, milk, orange, and water. What the computer will check is the last value of a variable. If we are going to output that using alert, you will see that the value of glass when shown is chocolate. So let's press save and see. So there we go. So before I let you go, I just want to give you a few important reminders. You can create any variable name you want as long as it shouldn't start with a number. There should be no spaces in between those variable names and no using of special characters. So I guess you learned something from me. I hope to see you again next time.